Top 5 Biggest Airplanes Ever Built. What if I told you these 5 aircraft are so massive they can carry hundreds of passengers, military tanks, and even rockets? Let's count down the biggest airplanes ever built. At number 5 is the Boeing 747-8, the longest commercial aircraft ever built. Measuring 76.3 meters in length with a wingspan of 68.4 meters, it combines size with efficiency. Powered by 4 GNX engines, it can fly over 14,000 kilometers without refueling. The passenger version carries hundreds of travelers, while the freighter transports more than 130 tons of cargo, making it one of the most capable aircraft ever produced. At number 4 is the Airbus A380-800, the world's largest passenger airplane. Its full-length double-deck and nearly 80-meter wingspan make it an engineering masterpiece. Depending on the airline's configuration, it can carry more than 800 passengers. With its spacious cabin and smooth long-haul performance, the A380 remains one of the most iconic airliners ever built. Number 3 is the Antonov An-124 Ruslan, a giant cargo aircraft designed to transport oversized and extremely heavy loads. It can carry around 150 tons of cargo, including military vehicles, helicopters, and industrial machinery. Its unique nose-loading system allows rapid loading of cargo that few other aircraft can handle. Taking second place is the Stratolaunch Roc. With a record-breaking wingspan of 117 meters, it has the largest wingspan of any aircraft ever built. Its twin fuselage design and 6 powerful engines enable it to launch hypersonic vehicles from high altitude, supporting the future of aerospace research. At number 1 is the legendary Antonov An-225 Mriya, the largest airplane ever built. At 84 meters long with an 88.4-meter wingspan and 6 powerful engines, it was capable of carrying the world's heaviest cargo. Originally built to transport the Soviet Buran space shuttle, the An-225 became a global symbol of aviation engineering and heavy airlift capability. Which of these giant aircraft impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing aviation videos from AeroFlight.